We're out on the road heading down to the Royal Motor Yacht Club on Pittwater, the lovely Pittwater, to check it out down there. The weather's about to come in, it's going to rain, so we're doing the quick dash down. We've made some hand sanitizer units in our factory this morning at Black Lab, and that's something that we haven't talked about much in these videos, in this video series, but the back of our little truck has got 10 automatic gel dispensing units. And the Royal Motor Yacht Club is currently part of one of the businesses in the hospitality industry right now in COVID-19. They're restricted to only 10 persons. So we thought it'd be good to donate 10 of our units from our factory to those guys to help them get going and get started. And it's the yacht club that my family are members of, the Royal Motor Yacht Club. That's where I happen to keep my boat, which I don't talk about much on our vlogs. I actually keep that quiet. I'm restoring a 1968 Halverson. It's a wooden boat, so I've got a wooden boat. Maybe we'll do some vlog videos on that down the track. But the little old truck today is being used as a delivery truck. We've got the hand sanitizer units in the back to drop off. We've done some best practice live streaming on LinkedIn and YouTube this morning, talking about your business management system and how you can use that to grow in the COVID-19 economic crisis. So it's been a busy day, trying to do a tidy up around the factory and get it organised, and the landscape has hit the water main this morning, so right before we went live on YouTube we had a massive explosion of all the water pipes at the back of the factory when the machine hit the pipes. So it's a day in the life of best practice with never a dull moment. Here we go down the hill.
ABC News Radio, where it's now time to check your capital city weather for today, Wednesday the 20th of May.
Alright. Okay.
Don't scratch this.
Oh, that's all I got at the moment because it's on my truck. The black truck's gone, so.
Yep. Awesome. Cool. Looks good.
This is one of my clients. So they're our logos. So they're your refills. Big thank you very much to Trulux for coming on board here and giving us a hand with their gel-based hand sanitizer. Got the little best practice logos on there for Quality Cosmetics and Hassett. So they're the best practice logos. So our guys go in there and give them some assistance with business improvement. And then, so big shout out for Trulux for coming on board and supporting the club, and off we go. How you going?
Oh, mate, how's things?
Very good. How you going? Now I got your gift.
So I hear. So
use them, don't use them, whatever you like.
no,
So
I think we'll use them.
absolutely. So this is a gel.
Right.
So this is one of my clients in French's Forest. So there's 39 litres of gel for you. And then these are the units. They're an automatic unit. So you can. We started talking yesterday about putting 4 you know, one at each entrance.
Point, yeah.
So these are in Woolworths. We've supplied 10,000 to Woolworths, and I was just, and then the guy started painting them different colours. He was mumbling something yesterday, and I'm like, well, fuck, I can put a few through for you. They're here.
Okay.
So
beautiful.
You
So
know.
how does the
So I can
The
show
old-
you all that. So Dane, when he gets off the phone, he can give you the induction.
right?
But basically, we'll start unwrapping it. So this just top opens, and there's a canister inside.
Right. Right. So each one.
So the idea is just to stop a little bit of drippage. That just sits on the front. That just gets you inside. You can take the units out, dispense the sanitizer in it wherever you want.
Yep.
You just undo those two screws. There's 4 AA batteries that needs to go in there.
Right.
And then if the button's down like it is at the moment, it just does a single shot. If you pull it up at the moment, it goes tss, tss, twice. We've
So
always
leave
just
it
had
down.
it
Yep.
down. So, yeah.
4 AA's. How'd you get it branded up so quick without our stuff?
Oh, we have ways. We have ways. Do you want to honestly know?
No.
We went into the office next door to ours because there's sign writers, and we said, make us some stickers really quickly. The guy was like, it's too hard. We said, give us the fucking stickers. We went into our office. Donna sent us the logo. I've already been fiddling around making t-shirts anyway for RMYC t-shirts.
Right. Okay.
So I've been doing that just for fun. Then we put those through our printer in our office. So these stickers are ours, obviously.
Yeah.
But
Oh, mate.
yeah, well, that's what I was like. Oh, let's have some fun with it, you know. So
We're
yeah.
up
So
to thousands of these at the moment.
Yeah. Did you say 10,000 woolies?
how many woolies?
We've done about 1,000 of these units for Woolworths. At the moment, we've just finished doing 8,000 self-distancing screens or social distancing screens for the self-checkouts in Woolies. So every single
Those
store.
big screens out.
We just got an inquiry from
They're great units.
Yeah, so it's his design, and everyone's now copying it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So
Yeah, it was about trying to get something out that functioned as cheap as possible, used as minimal amount of material, we could put together really fast and pump them out. So I can turn out, probably 2,000 of these stands a day out of our factory, which is forest.
Okay. Wow.
So, and it was all about time frame.
Yep.
So what I was thinking was, Ben said 4, and then I went, well, what about each of the marina arms? They will rust, but they could put a screw in the back and screw them down like at the, on the ramps.
Fuel and stuff.
Yeah.
Double A's.
4 AA's?
4 double A's.
I've got some over in there.
Hold on.
Oh, not the remote. You won't be able to turn the footy on.
No, it's triple A's. Yeah. Negative.
That went then.
Did it go?
Yep.
Just sometimes.
Making a noise.
Yeah, it's just waiting for the.
The film.
All right. Thanks, boys. No worries at all. You're welcome. Cornwall Narrabeen Lake. So the walk that we do on a Friday morning is that trail right there. It's an absolutely fantastic natural asset for the community. It's an 8-kilometre loop around, walking trail and biking trail around the lake, and it's great. It's something I've been doing for a long time, for a lot of years, is when my head's really foggy and I can't think straight or I'm a bit stressed, to get out and walk this loop. It takes me anywhere from, if I run it, 40 minutes to a dawdle, slow walk, 2 laps, 3 hours. Just, you got the beautiful lake, kids' playgrounds. It's a great little resource for the community that I really love and I'm really proud of.